In Florida, so our weather is nice pretty much year round. So this net came in clutch when I got it in the mail. My kids were so excited to put it up on Christmas Day that they have done nothing but play outside out here. It was super easy to put up and install. Once I got the ladder, realized I needed a ladder. It was so easy to do. It has provided my boys with hours and hours of entertainment. I put mine up between two trees, but you could also put it up like at the end of your garage. There's so many uses for this. It's unreal. You could even get like 2x4s and put it up wherever you wanted to. It's so easy. The possibilities really are endless, and the design of it is absolutely amazing that it's so custom that you could put it anywhere.